Next on Scratch coding cards is imagine a world. And under this is particularly categorized into these many activities. So we begin with the first activity, which is say something. And if we scroll down, this is the sprite we are going to use. And this is the instruction set that we are going to give to that particular sprite. Basically, three instructions. The first one, when we click on the green flag, then say two messages. The first one is hello, and the second one is this imagine if. We can give different messages also. Let's try it out. In order to begin the activity, we will open our Scratch application where we are going to create this particular project activity. Once it is opened, we will fit it to the desktop screen. We are going to use the same default sprite. So let's give the instructions. The first instruction from the events category when green flag is clicked. Now we want it to speak a message. So we will go to the looks category and take the first instruction, say hello for 2 seconds. We will be using two messages. So one more time, the second block. And before we do that, let's click on the green flag and see how this is working. So the cat is saying the first message. Now, when we join the second instruction, we can give a different message. You can give the one which is given in the Scratch coding cards, or we can give a different message like, hope you are enjoying it. And once we do that, we can click on the green flag and see how this is working. Further, we can add one more message. For example, this is just the beginning. And there you go. You are through with the activity. Once you click on the green flag, so the cat is picking out the messages for us.